Love feeding the birds, but dislike watching that expensive bird seed get gobbled up by squirrels? Introducing the Squirrel Stopper, the ingenious post-assembly that allows you to continue feeding the birds without feeding the squirrels. The Squirrel Stopper features an innovative free-floating shroud that makes it virtually impossible for squirrels and raccoons to grip onto. Its attractive design is a complement to any yard, and it easily accommodates any hanging-style bird feeder. The Squirrel Stopper assembles within minutes and is made of durable steel construction. Just a few simple steps, and you'll be on your way to putting an end to those free lunches. The Squirrel Stopper requires a location that is 10 feet from buildings and structures in order to work properly. As long as it is free from structures, you can place the Squirrel Stopper virtually anywhere. First, set the auger on the ground and screw in the lower section. Next, slide the middle section over the bottom section and twist into place. Then, slide the horizontal tubes through the holes in the top section. Add the 4 support brackets to your crossbars for added support and durability. Slide the upper section onto the middle section and twist into place. Hang your bird feeders and enjoy. The Squirrel Stopper accommodates up to 8 hanging bird feeders and features an attractive interchangeable top. Available in black and white finishes. We also have black Squirrel Stopper units with limited edition Baffle designs. Rust resistant, the Squirrel Stopper comes backed with a 1-year warranty. With the Squirrel Stopper, you'll never have to worry about feeding the squirrels again. The Squirrel Stopper Complete Bird Feeder Post Assembly is available only from Liberty Products. For information, visit our website at www.squirrelstopper.net.